you might want the benefit of a replay, but even from the first instance, I think.
Little flick coming in from Bless Ege. And here the goal. Golden kick. Dacoster Owusu, very skillful, tries to cut the ball in. Henry at the right time.
Yeah, we'll show you respect before the game, but during the game, there's no respect. Just look at that.
Not really tested in the opening stages of this game.
Not at all, and both teams are keeping their shape. No one
Get away. This could be a promising move for golden kick. Husseini sends in a cross. Zakaria is arriving, brings it down. Good reaction. The Kotoko goalie. See how they respond. Samba O'Neil. This time Adamu is beaten to it, but Opoku falls in the process. Dacosta twisting and turning really well. He goes past.
he had possession. He lost possession, and with Dacosta on the ball, there's very little you can do to dispossess him. He's just a wizard on the ball.
Didn't quite get him. Dacosta to Bless Ege. Dacosta Owusu, lovely turn around to watch. Especially this boy. First half of this game, we're going to do 3 minutes of additional time. Lovely play, beautiful footwork from Dacosta
With the ball, and how they've been able to beat the Asante Kotoko press.
Where Bentum takes it. Here is Dacoster Owusu. O'Neil very aggressive on every situation.
He always has the quality to hold up.
Dacosta swings the ball in. Dacoster Owusu is an amazing talent, brilliant player. Samba loses the ball.